Okay, this year I'm doing something new. I always take an art journaling kit with me, and usually it's just in, some kind of glorified pencil case. But I'm packing for the New York Faerie Festival, and it is probably one of the most magical festivals that I do. It's 3 days of camping in the woods along a stream with literally trolls guarding a bridge and goblins coming to fairyland as an embassy, and silent fairies and talkative fairies and fairies hiding in trees and music and performance and dance. And I do art journaling at the event, and I try and have it be interactive, and I get quotes for people. And last year I showed my book to Queen Tatiana herself. So this year I'm actually taking this vintage makeup case. I'm really upping my kit. So I have some gel medium. I'm taking gel because I have it in the small container. I really like matte better, but whatever, small size. I'm taking some distress sprays because I hope these are less affected by water. I mean, I think they're still somewhat affected by water, but so I have an assortment of colors. I know the oxide sprays, really act differently with water. These will probably move with water, but okay. This bag, I have a pretty wide palette of acrylic paint. They're in small tubes. That way this I can paint directly or I can stencil. I have a small set of woodies. Those are water-soluble crayons. I just have them wrapped up in this because I didn't have a rubber band. I was just trying to contain them and make them stand up. I have baby wipes for cleanup. I have Elmer's glue because my dear friend Kat LaFay gave it to me, since I always seem to run out of glue stick at events. In this peacock pouch, I have an assortment of small stencils, an assortment of archival stamp pads, and the little finger daubers to stamp through the stencils. This container, Posca pens. I know. There's no rhyme or reason. I'm just throwing everything in here. I have a Ziploc bag of paper for collage. I have a bunch of cut up strips of watercolor paper, so if I'm doodling, I can maybe make some little bookmarks and give them to patrons. And then in the tray, I have a date stamp. I have an assortment of washi tapes, clips to hold my book open, a new set of stencils from Stencil Girl that I just cut up, my watercolor, and then brushes for my acrylics and my gel medium. Now the caveat is, I'm still taking the pencil case. I like to do art journaling at the campsite by our camper van, so I have my permanent markers, pencil, a white gel pen. I do have a glue stick, and then I have my absolute favorite waterproof Pitt pens. We'll see if I throw in some Tombow markers in there too, because this will be in my kind of backpack bag, and this will stay at my art tent, my vending booth. So yeah, let's see how that plays out. Something brand new for this year. Let's try it.